Okay, hello everyone. So today we got an MS-60 vintage series Harley Benton coming in for a standard setup. Other than that, he also requested me to do a copper shielding for the guitar as well, mainly because the pickups are very noisy. So yeah, hope that helps. I'll give you an update later on in the video as well. Okay, see you soon. Bye. Okay, good morning everyone. So today we got a Harley Benton VT series. Okay, so it says here MS-60 vintage series. Right. So this is a standard setup together with copper shielding, full copper shielding. Okay, there's a few things. Number one, I am not so sure about the wiring, what gives what. Okay, so for the electronic wise, yeah, this one is forward position. If I'm not mistaken, it will engage this guy. Yeah. So let me just check. Okay, that one is okay. Then move back. Push forward. Okay. Then when I move back, I need to actually push this forward to get the forward position. Yeah, it is not exactly like the Jaguar style, or is it maybe I'm looking at it upside down, that's why. But everything seems to work. But yeah, this is for a left-handed guitar player, so I'm gonna give you a note clearance. Initially he says he wants to do the shielding, but when I played with it a bit, I feel that it's slightly off. It can be a bit lower, so I lowered it up. I set up. Intonation was a bit off as well, so I fixed that as well. Then this is the note test. Okay, just now you hear there's a slight buzzing here and here, around here, this part here, and here and here. This one actually the height can be a bit lower, like I mentioned before. On the bass side right now is 1.25, and on the treble side is 1.25 as well. Okay, so it's more comfortable, but of course the buzzing, if you don't like it, there's two ways to going about it. Number one is fret leveling. The other one is of course to bring up the action a bit higher. Ideally you want to do a fret leveling, because these Harley Bentons typically they have a lot of fret issues. When I was looking at it also, some of the frets are not sitting properly. So one of the tests that you can do is yeah, you can use a piece of paper, then you go underneath. I'm just going to give you an example, okay? Underneath the fret, see whether, see, can you see that it goes underneath the fret? Alright, this is all over the fretboard. It just gives me an indication that the fret is not fully into the fretboard and it's not properly leveled. Then again, because the fret wires here is actually low profile, it follows something like the vintage style fret wires. So even if you want to do fret leveling, it will feel a bit flatter, but intonation wise might be affected. So later on, when you come and pick up and play, you might feel that it's a bit comfortable. See whether you can tolerate the buzzing. If cannot, then I will raise it up a bit, just to clear that buzzing part. Okay, then you can continue. Maybe in the future you want to consider doing the fret leveling. Alright, other than that, for electronic wise, it's okay. It actually clears up a lot of the noise. So I'm cranking this up. I don't know if you can see, this is almost full, not a lot of noise. Right, I'm gonna bring it down a bit. Okay, so definitely there's a improvement in terms of buzzing. Then hot wire, sounds good. Obviously I cannot play live-handed guitar, so yeah. So guitar is done. I just need to do final checks for the intonation, but guitar is already okay. Let me know when you want to pick up. I see you soon. Bye. Okay, that's all for today. If you need my help for any of the guitar or bass work, you can contact me via WhatsApp 841-89951. Hope to see you soon. Bye.